Message. 2 voltage sources. 1 resistor in the middle. Sounds tricky, right? Let's solve it step by step using superposition theorem. First, note the given values. R1, R2, and R3 are all 6 kilo ohms. E1 is 10 volts and E2 is 5 volts. Now step 1. Superposition principle. We analyze one source at a time, while turning off the other source. Remember, turning off a voltage source means replacing it with a short circuit. Let's start with case 1. Case 1. Only E1 equals 10 volts is active. We replace E2 with a wire. Now observe the circuit. R2 and R3 are in parallel. So we calculate their equivalent resistance. R2 parallel R3 equals 6K times 6K, divided by 6K plus 6K, which gives 3 kilo ohms. Next, apply the voltage divider rule. The node voltage becomes 10 times 3K divided by 6K plus 3K. That gives 3.33 volts. Now, find the current through R3. Current equals voltage over resistance. So 3.33 divided by 6K gives 0.555 milliamp. Good. Now case 2. Case 2. Only E2 equals 5 volts is active. We replace E1 with a wire. Now, R1 and R3 are in parallel. Their equivalent resistance is also 3 kilo ohms. Apply voltage divider again. The node voltage becomes 5 times 3K divided by 6K plus 3K. That gives 1.67 volts. Now current through R3, 1.67. Divided by 6K gives 0.278 milliamp. Now, final step, add the contributions. Total current through R3 equals 0.555 plus 0.278, which gives 0.833 milliamp. Finally, voltage across R3. V equals I times R. 0.833 milliamp times 6K equals 5 volts. And that's the final answer. Current through R3 is 0.833 milliamp. Voltage across R3 is 5 volts. Superposition makes circuit analysis simple and powerful. Follow godswill.elec for more clear and practical electronics tutorials.